show you how to make your own ringtone. So what you do, you would go to Spotify or whatever, YouTube. I did Below the Surface. So you would record it, then you would go to GarageBand, and then you would go to Add. You would click on this, and then click on the little brick wall, and then this little blue thing, turn it off. Or it's gray. And then you would go to Files, and then if you don't have it, you would download it here. But first, to get it, you have to go to here, okay. That you go that, and then you go to iPhone ringtone, okay. And then you'll press open video, and then photo library, and then you would click on the song you recorded. Done. So as you see, it's installing right now. Okay, done. Now you would go to the third step. Now you would press download, and then download. And then you will go to this blue arrow down in your little hotbar, and then you go to downloads, and then you will click on that, and then you will play it. Listen close, follow my instructions, and make sure it's the right song. Then you will press done. Okay. Then you will go to GarageBand, and then click on the little circle thing. And then if you don't have it downloaded, you would go here, and then you would find the song you want. For mine, it's this one. You will hold it down, then you would drag it, and voila, you have it there. And then you would go to the little arrow right here, click My Songs, voila. Then what you want to do, if you want to click on it, go to Share, Ringtone, and then you would rename it. In this case, it would be My Song 2. But you can, and then you would press that. And then you would press OK. And then what you do now, you go to this one. This was the one I already did before. You would hold it down, and then you go this one, Share, and then Ringtone, and then as you can see, it already exists. So what you want to do is you want to go to Settings, go to Sound Bars, okay, and then you go to Ringtones. Listen close, follow my instructions. Listen close, follow my instructions. And then you will go back.